Sorry, my lord. Just to create this, my lord.
Seen the case diary, we formed the we can form a view on what the movement of the police officers was, who went, what time the body was first noticed, what time the body is brought, what time the inquest takes place, post-mortem, and then finally the FIR at 11:30 in the night.
No, even this UD case has 11 to 30. That's what I want to
No,
show.
no, no, that's not correct.
See the UD case.
Can your lordships just see this?
577 is recorded at 10:10 in the morning.
Yes.
Can your lordships just have a look at it?
Yes. Yes.
Can your lordships have a look?
They have this information in the CD. They have this information.
Mr. Sibal, please allow me now.
Mr. Sibal,
please allow me.
Allow me what? You should have shown the CD, given the CD.
Lord, I don't need
to
fight.
Should have been given in court.
In fact, this also matches with the FIR.
Lord, there is a confusion. Lord, please allow me.
Received date 9th August 24, time 10:10 hours.
Lord, if your lordship gives me 2 minutes, Lord.
Exactly.
Lord, I may be right, I may be wrong. Give me 2 minutes, Lord. Your lordships have, Lord, this 10:10, my Lord.
Yes, yes.
This is GDE, called General Diary Entry.
Right, at the police station.
At the first, yes, at the police station. Please, my Lord, thereafter come to this, my Lord. My Lord, your lordship, I do not know the number of the compilation, but it is page 47 on the top.
Yes, 47 we got.
Correct.
It is the same.
Your lordship, please, Mr. Sibal.
Yes, continue.
There is always a courtesy to each other. Lord, this is 576, 2330. Correct, my Lord? Now read this, my Lord. In reference to Tala PS General Diary Entry number 542 of date, return to PS with so-and-so, so-and-so. Please ignore it and come to the next page. After return to PS under order of office something, an UD case has been registered with a Tala PS number so-and-so 861. So this UD case is registered, my Lord. Earlier was GD entry. This is UD case at 2330 and at 2345 FIR is registered.
Well, see page 40, it just shows, Malad.
That's, Malad, how the chronology we have, Malad, presented.
Muddy the waters. It's all muddy the waters. That's what you're doing.
Just see 42. Just see 42.
42, Malad.
GD number 542, dated 10:10 a.m. Received information over the telephone from Agikor Medical College Hospital Police Outpost that a lady of PG trainee of so-and-so
was found lying in unconscious state at so-and-so Medicine Department of 3rd floor of Emergency Building in so-and-so, according to informed Sector 92 OC and under his order, leading PS with lady police. So this is not General Diary Entry. What is?
That is what DD is.
Lord, somebody has lost the life.
According to the
Don't
rules.
at least laugh.
1 second. According to the rules that we follow,
a girl has
these regulations we've done in accordance.
In a most inhuman and undignified manner.
These are the rules, and we have followed to the T the rules of the.
I will show that what rules
unnatural death end.
My Lord,
the Solicitor General. First, the general diary entry is made. Thereafter, the police proceeds to the spot with the case diaries.
Correct.
Case general diary is kept at the police station. Case diary is carried to the spot.
Yes.
Now the relevant part would be this part, which is a inquest report. This shows that the information regarding unnatural death was received and registered as case number 861 on 9/8/2024 at 10:10 hours.
That's correct.
Yes.
And this extract is the general diary which the police complete after the day is over.
And come back to
It carries various steps that have been carried out during the course of the day.
That's right.
So that is what
I can assure my learned friend, this is not an attempt to muddy the water, to remove the mud from the water, because we are dealing with a delicate situation. Somebody's dignity is
lost. Come on, we all know that. It's a tragic incident, it's barbaric, and we are on the same side.
Your side was
but let's not muddy the waters on
really unfortunate.
The only one point which we also see is that the UD, I'll read out the relevant part. This is at page 74. Accordingly, PO has been cordoned under proper guard. Also, several witnesses were examined and their statements were recorded. Consulted CCTV footages in and around the vicinity of the PO. After post-mortem and inquest, the dead body of the deceased has been handed over to her mother, so-and-so. After return to the police station, under order of officer in charge, so-and-so, and UD case has been registered by Tala PS UD case number 861, dated 9 August 2024. All concerned, including superiors, were informed. After return to the police station, the seized articles were kept in PS Malkhana by Malkhana number 52 in the presence of ASI and constable so-and-so. Now, and officer in charge was informed. So it appears that the initial report of an unnatural death was received and which was recorded in the GD at
so not unnatural death, unconscious body. The doctors are informing the police that there is an unconscious body.
Lying in unconscious state. That is
not a doctor. You don't have to be a doctor to know that it's not unconscious body. It's a dead body.
10 a.m.
Yes.
GD 542.
This is from the outpost, Malaj.
Right. The unnatural death is recorded by entry 861, after they return to the police station at night.
That is how we have seen.
And 11:30 in the night, the FIR is registered. In the meantime, the body has been handed over to the mother for the purpose of.
And that too, the father insists for registration of the FIR.
Absolutely.
The hospital does not register the FIR. Father has insisted and registered the FIR.
The father told us, you wait till I tell you, then only register. I will give a written complaint. That's what happened. At least tell us what's been happening in the investigation in trying to say that this happened at 11:45.
The family is here, my lord. The
State has
Is appealing, my lord.
One clarification which we need.
Certainly, Malaj.
If the report of the police indicates that after return to the police station, GD 861 was recorded. In the meantime, the dead body had been handed over to the mother for cremation.
Yeah.
If this does not square up with the fact that the inquest refers to GD 861. Inquest takes place. I have the inquest of the judicial magistrate.
Right.
Judicial magistrate says I conducted the inquest at 4:20 p.m. on the 9th of August.
Correct.
That inquest report refers to GD 861.
Yes.
Now, if the police say that the GD 861 was recorded on return to the police station just before, obviously before the FIR is recorded that night, how is it that an inquest at 4:20 refers to 861?
Lord, I do not know how it will turn.
Just recording.
It says UD 861.
Not expression, Malaj. It's just recording.
It says UD 861.
Ask the ACGM, Malaj. Ask the ACGM. He was there. Ask the ACGM, Malaj. Everything is on record. Your memo says 861. Postmortem says 861. And Malaj, the real thing is the investigation. Why are we moving away? What has happened in the investigation?
My lord, my friends may share the timelines with us.
Do you have the postmortem report? Yes. Just pass it on.
I'm sorry, Malaj.
Postmortem,
yeah.
Lord, the state says father
Page
did not permit registration of FIR. The father's counsel is
Page 13, Malaj. Page 13
And
of the case diary.
So the state will wait for the father.
Page 13 of the case diary.
In this PM note, is there a reference of 861 somewhere?
At the top, my lords.
Where?
First line, my lords, reference
Yes,
to the PM.
yes, okay.
Right on top.
Right on top. It's there. UD case number.
Appears then that at the time when the PMR was when the postmortem was conducted, UD 861 had already been there.
That's right. There's no doubt about it, Malaj.
The inquest
Malaj,
number is also
people
there.
are using some language, some expressions, Malaj. Bengali speaking people are using some expressions in English.
No, there is no Bengali.
only-
They are-
The record will show.
No, why does the IO then say that after I return to the police station in the night, I record?
Because he has to record. Because he has to record what has happened all this while. That's the point.
PMR,
He is
in the
recording minutes of the
Exactly.
meeting, my lord.
But the
Which-
investigation.
The point is, we are more concerned about the investigation, what has happened in the last
Exactly,
1
that's
week. At
what
least
is
tell the
being
court that.
in the
He's right.
there
They
is
were
one-
more concerned about the
Maybe inform the
investigation,
court.
which is emerging now.
Lordship, the PMR talks about 151 mg of semen. It is never in mg.
No, it is
It
not
is in
semen.
ml.
It is the weight
It is in.
So please, come on. This is the
Let's not-
problem that.
We are at the very incipient
let-
stage, but don't confuse this.
Yeah.
Don't use social media to make arguments in the court.
I'm grateful, my lord, for that. I'm grateful.
We have specifically now the PMR before us, and we know what that 151 refers to.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's not use, what we read on
What is
social
happening.
media and then make legal arguments on that basis. That's
Manoj,
what-
I have a very.
God
Manoj, 1 second. Now, Manoj, your lordships asked me that you will give me a chance, Manoj, after this is over. I have a very serious issue at hand, Manoj, and I want to hand over an affidavit to you. Just please give it. And I'll hand over that affidavit also to the solicitor, but only to him. Manoj, just give it. Just go through this affidavit, Manoj.
They're only giving.
Only to him.
Yes, I'll give it.
Well, just read through this. See what's going to happen. Para 5 onwards, page 2, Manoj. These are collateral events, Manoj. They are bound to happen.
And this is again on social media, my lord, something on.
No, not
I-
social media. We've got the original.
My lord, state filing an affidavit based on social media.
Just let the court please read it. Then para 8 is also important.
Check. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Check.